40 soldiers from the British Army took part in Exercise Hunter 22 in Lithuania, using state-of-the-art Javelin and NLAW anti-tank weapons systems alongside their Lithuanian allies. This was pre-planned bilateral exercise focusing on shared anti-tank capabilities. The soldiers from Black Horse Troop, the UK contribution to the US-led NATO Enhanced Force Presence Battle Group in Poland, is formed from B Squadron, the Royal Dragoon Guards. Black Horse Troop are equipped with Jackal and Coyote vehicles, as well as NLAW and Javelin anti-tank weapons. These two anti-tank systems have been employed by the British Army for a number of years and are a significant force multiplier for light armored troops.
So we are here now, the Black Horse Troop are deployed to Lithuania to take part in Hunter 22, a bilateral exercise with the Lithuanian Armed Forces focusing on anti-tank capabilities. As a reconnaissance squadron, two of the main anti-tank capabilities that we have are NLAW, which is a relatively short range, kind of 300 to 400 metres ideally, anti-tank capability, carried on pretty much every vehicle. And as a more deliberate, kind of slightly longer range anti-tank capability, we have the Javelin missile out to 2.5 kilometres that allows us kind of to deliver that slightly longer range anti-tank capability. We would never go to conduct any sort of conflict on our own, and the strength of NATO is the alliance and the different nations within it, and the ability to come here, train alongside our Lithuanian partners, and then conduct joint exercises is kind of real proof of that. And the soldiers get a lot out of it as well, kind of meeting soldiers from other nations and learning about how they do things, and learning and improving both nations. So yeah, absolutely, it is absolutely business as usual for us. We're continuing to conduct our mission to demonstrate our readiness, to ensure that we're interoperable with our NATO allies and our other partners, and to make sure that we're ready for whatever comes.
Don't forget to like, dislike, subscribe, and comment. Safe Space Cafe. And always, have a good day.